Thanks for tuning in to Mad Minds TV. I'm Trey Little. Got about 6 weeks left of change management. And as you know, the goal is to look at change management from a variety of different angles. And with this in mind, 10 studies were reviewed, and I gravitated towards a study called The study was published in 2022, and the author is, I'm paraphrasing from here, and the reference for the study is below the video. The study starts off discussing how change is the new norm, and it's going to be important moving forward for organizations to learn how to adapt to change if they want to succeed as well as survive. However, every organization is structured differently, and every level of an organization deals differently with change and change implementation. That's why it's important for organizations to involve everybody in the change process early, because it creates new lines of communication as well as helps decrease anxiety and stress throughout the process. And this actually brings us to the two primary themes of the study itself. The first theme is called Employ Innovative Work Behavior. And this theme has 4 primary factors. And it's called, the first primary factor is going to be opportunity exploration. And then it goes idea generation, then it goes champion, then it goes implementation. And the second theme is called knowledge sharing. And that also has 4 primary factors. And the 4 primary factors for knowledge sharing are written contributions, organizational communications, personal interactions, as well as community practices. Now, you can also see this conceptual model in Figure 1, and it breaks it down in a manner that provides the Lewin change model, which is basically unfreeze, change, freeze. And if you actually make it to Figure 2, it even goes further in depth. And what it shows is it shows the employee innovative work behaviors, as well as how knowledge sharing, and it breaks it down in terms of each factor, and it shows where in the change model that each factor comes into play during the change process. It's actually very fascinating. Check it out. And throughout all this, it goes over the hypothesis, as well as how the data was collected, analyzed, measured, and the discussion and the conclusion. And to sum it all up, when you're going through change and the change process, it's very important to maintain an open organization that shares knowledge, because sharing knowledge is positively linked to employ innovative work behavior. And employee innovative work behavior is positively linked to a positive change process outcome. However, this is how I interpreted the paper. Do me a favor, read it, and let me know if you interpreted it differently than I. If you're an organization or a business looking to become a learning organization, or a business or organization that wants to prep for change and be conducive to change, definitely check this paper out, because the conceptual models and the information provided can really help. Thanks again for tuning in to Mad Minds TV. And as always, stay mad, stay sharp, and be well. Thanks again, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.